We will solve an exercise about complex numbers. So here the exercise says, let u be a complex number such that its modulus is equal to 1. Let z the complex number defined by 1 over 1 minus u, where u of course here is different from 1. So the question is, calculate the real part of the complex number z. So if you want, make pause to the video and try to solve it before seeing the solution. Okay, so the solution is in the solution we will use the properties of complex numbers. So we have that the real part of any complex number is equal to half of this number plus its conjugate. So using this rule, we obtain that the real part of z is equal to the real part of 1 over 1 minus u, which is equal to half of 1 over 1 minus u plus the conjugate of 1 over 1 minus u. Which is equal to half of 1 over 1 minus u plus 1 over 1 minus the conjugate of u, because here we have reals. The conjugate of real is itself. This in one hand, if we call this equation big one, we have, in the other hand, we have that the modulus of u is equal to 1, which implies that modulus of u squared is equal to 1, which implies that this is u, which implies that u multiplied by conjugate of u is equal to 1, because the modulus of complex number squared is equal to this number multiplied by its conjugate, and this implies that the conjugate of u is equal to 1 over u, and here we replace the conjugate of u here in the equation big one. So then we have big one implies that the real part of z is equal to 1/2 by multiplied by 1 over 1 minus u plus 1 over 1 minus 1 over u. This is the conjugate of u, which is equal to 1/2 multiplied by 1 over 1 minus u plus u over u minus 1, which is equal to half of 1 over 1 minus u plus minus u over 1 minus u. So here we have multiplied by minus 1, the numerator and denominator, which is equal to half of 1 minus u over 1 minus u, and we can simplify 1 minus u with 1 minus u, which is equal to 1 half. Finally, then we have the real part of z is equal to 1 half. So thank you for watching this video.